Hello, it's Ali. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling world's first automotive. This is a crafted as all metal DIY model after the 1886 first car, a precise collectible bearing automotive origin. So we're gonna unbox together and see what we have with this kit. The good thing about it, it's all metals. So after assembling, I want to design two characters so we can put it on just for the reference and the scale, and it will give it a realistic look. I'm happy to announce this video is sponsored by PCBWay. If you are thinking on custom design and need PCB board, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding or 3D printing, they can do all of that. Link in the video description box below. Back to the video. Alright, we are done. The assembling process takes about 3 hours. Everything was so easy. According to that manual, you can follow all the instructions and there's no trick in it, and you can do it maybe in 2 hours if you are not filming, but other than that, it was so easy and everything works really good. And here's the gear shifter and works right away. So now what we're gonna do, I already have the model and I sliced it already and colored everything. We're gonna send it to the printer and put it on the car. Alright, let me show you on the slicer how it looks. Here's how it looks. I already cut it in half so we don't have that much support. But yeah, let's send it to the printer and see how it's gonna go. Alright, the prints are done. I already glued the two pieces together, but it came out really nice. And yeah, I used 0.2mm layer height, but if you go with 0.12, it will be way finer, but like this, it looks really good. Okay, I think they look great now, even though there's some space, but if I make it longer, it will be out of scale, so I was like, okay, we're gonna leave it like this. I will make sure to put the kit and the models in the video description box below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye for now.